What's up, guys? On today's episode of, we're gonna restore this guy's paint and headlights for free because I already have the equipment. Brand new Civic, that's not brand new, it's really old. 2000? Yeah. It's yeah, it needs some love. That paint's dead. So I'm gonna shine her up with my sauce. Oh yeah. Bro, it's shiny already. You know, I'm kind of jealous because this gets good gas mileage in the gas crisis. I need that. So how much you want for it?
3K.
All right, before, hard to tell on camera, but there's after. Oh, you can tell. Oh, it's so shiny. It looks like it's 2000 again. They're not bad though, so this will come out great. On the hood, look at those crazy scratches. Good Lord. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna fix this right now. There's before. Oh, there's after. Yo, it looks so much better. I mean, my sander's not powerful enough, but that's pretty good for what this thing can do. It took away that huge scratch. Wow, not bad. God damn, can I even fix this? I can make it more shiny at least. Yeah, that paint's dull as hell. Let's do the work. So it looks like someone tried to do some body work, but failed completely. Definitely repainted at least. Like there's just some rough black paint right here. And these wheels, gotta go. These, I mean, they're just hubcaps and steelies, but they just look so old and broken and dirty behind. Look at that rust forming. Yeah, this car needs a lot of work, but I know my friend's gonna do work, make this thing look beautiful for what it is. And yeah, since it's a Civic, it's a great investment no matter what. Like even if they're ugly on the outside, they'll last forever on the inside. And they're fun to drive most of the time. Look at the little 1.6 liter. And look at those shiny ass lights. Oh yeah, those are like new again. Look at this little guy. This is the base model HX, so it has this tiny 115 horsepower motor, but it's like 2,300 pounds. This thing still goes. That's what I love about Civics. And yeah, of course, it's the 5-speed boing stick. Oh, it's locked. Thanks. Boing. And then, oh yeah, stereo. You wire it yourself?
Yes.
JVC. That's nice. That's a huge upgrade. Yeah, you can play music. How are the speakers in this stock?
They're okay.
They're okay? Yeah. Wow. The old school 90s seats. Man, you got a great deal on this stock Civic. Like, this is in great shape, I'm not gonna lie. Like, no modifications at all.
Yeah.
That's hard to find nowadays. Every Civic's clapped out, I feel like. So that's nice.
Only 166,000 miles.
Only 166K. Oh man, hard to see, but it's there. Swear it's there. Just a few little dents and paint corrections, and yeah, this thing is clean. Wow. There it is, cleaned up Civic.